This is a BTR-4E of Ukrainian forces storming a Russian-controlled territory in the Donetsk region. The IFV, equipped with a 30mm cannon, first unloaded troops, who advanced on foot, while the BTR provided covering fire. The soldiers moved into the bush and launched their assault from there. The BTR was firing while moving, a defensive tactic. And it was also fitted with an anti-drone cage net at the front. It was during these moments that an FPV drone attacked the IFV, but fell just ahead of it. Now a question arises regarding the authenticity of the footage. While the IFV appears to have a mounted camera, and one soldier has a head-mounted camera, there's no aerial view from a drone showing retreating or neutralized Russian forces. Only the attacking drone's footage shows any visible reaction from Russian troops, which proves that the action had happened.